Hello everyone and welcome to my video. In this video I'll show you how to share a printer in Windows 10 on your home network. 5 easy steps to do this. Step 1. Make sure network discovery and file and print sharing are enabled on the source PC. Perform this step on the source PC where the printer is attached. Click on the search bar and type network. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under Private, click Turn on Network Discovery and also click Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Click on Save Changes and close the dialog box. Step 2. Share the printer on the source PC. Perform the steps on the source PC where the printer is shared. Click the search box and type printer and then click Devices and Printers. Right-click the printer icon and click Printer Properties. That is the printer you want to share. Click the Sharing tab and click Share this printer. Give the printer share the name you like and click OK. Step 3. Create a local user on the source PC. Perform the step on the source PC where the printer is attached. Click search box and type users. Click add, edit or remove other users. Click add someone else to this PC. Click I don't have the person's sign-in information. Then click add a user without a Microsoft account. Under username, type print1. Give the user a password. And type a password hint that will let you remember the password you typed. Click on Next and then close the dialog box. Step 4. Make sure network discovery and file and print sharing are enabled on the target PC. Perform the step on the target PC that you want to connect to the printer. Click on the search box and type Network. Click on Network and Sharing Center, then click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under Private, click Turn on Network Discovery. Also click Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Click on Save Changes and close the dialog box. Step 5. Connect to the printer on the target PC. Perform the step on the target PC that you want to connect to the printer. Click the search box and type Control Panel. Click Devices and Printers. Click on Add Printer and then click the printer that I want isn't listed. Click Select the shared printer by name, then click on Browse. Wait a few seconds for the source PC to appear. When it appears, click it and then choose Select. Type the username you created earlier on the source PC and its password. Click to select Remember My Credentials and click on OK. Select the shared printer and click Select and then click Next. The installation takes a few seconds to finish and then displays a message saying that you've successfully added the printer. Click Finish and print the test page to make sure it is working. As you see, the printer appears under Printers. If you click on Printer Properties, you'll see the name of the source PC and the title of the dialog box. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.